Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 570 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, or basically open the menu, and to do that press and hold the up button like this. Once the menu opens, scroll through it and find the option called watch settings, and once you find it, tap on it. Here look for the option called display and brightness, and after you find it, tap on it. Now scroll down and look for the option called timeout, select it, and right here you have the list of durations, and we have 4 seconds, 8 seconds and 15 seconds. Select the duration you like, and once you select it, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And now my screen should turn off automatically after 15 seconds of inactivity. So if I won't touch the buttons or the screen for 15 seconds, the screen should turn off to save the power. And it should be soon. Yeah, right now. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.